Hello guys. Hello guys. This is KOK Party Favors. Today we're going to be designing a Hershey bar wrapper in Photoshop. I have my template pulled up. It is available for sale in my Etsy shop. There will be two versions available, so you can get two versions of the Hershey bar wrapper for one price. One version is going to be the large, where you can put crimps on both ends of the Hershey bar. It's a 1.55 ounce Hershey bar. The other version is where you use the foil to wrap the Hershey bar first. Then you put the custom Hershey bar wrapper around that, leaving the two ends exposed, the left and right end. So the foil will peep out on both ends of the other wrapper. So you'll get two sizes for the price of one. Okay, we're going to start this design. It's going to be the Incredibles design. I have that pulled up here in my library. So I'm going to go and pull that into my template. I'm going to resize this. Okay. Hit enter there. Okay, it's centered. Now I want to add some text. So I'm going to select the T. And the text is going to be the Incredible Andy is 2. Okay, so we're going to add more space between this. Let's take it to 36. Okay, and then the font size we're going to reduce. Okay, took that to 18. And you just keep playing with it until you get it the size that you want. Okay, now I'm not too crazy about this 2. It's really, really small. So I'm going to see how it looks if I take it up some. Okay, I think that looks okay. All right, now I'm going to pull in the logo. I'm going to resize it. And be careful when you're designing, because you will be either crimping the left and right side, or you will be using the zigzag scissors to cut it. So make sure you leave enough room where you don't have to cut into your text or any part of your design. Okay, so now I want to change the color of the background. And I either want to change it to orange or yellow. I'm not sure. So we're going to play around with that until I see what color I want. So we're going to go to FX, Color Overlay, and it's either going to be yellow or orange. And I think it just pops off a little bit better on that yellow. Okay, so this flap I'll also make yellow. FX, Color Overlay. Okay, and this backside with the nutrition facts, I'll change that color as well. Okay, now to add a little bit of difference to the back, we're going to change this section where the nutrition facts are. We're going to change that to orange. Okay, and we are going to add a little bit of artwork to the back. I'm going to resize him. I'm going to put him on the back and I'm going to turn him 180 degrees. Okay, I'll just go ahead and change it up here at 180 degrees. Okay, that gets him right. Okay, size him. Okay, and I think that's going to be it for this design. I don't think I need anything else on here, because that looks nice the way it is. And when you fold it, this is the only part of the back that will be showing, the nutrition facts, because it will fold over this panel here. So there's no need to put any decoration from this line down, because this section will be all covered. Okay, so that's the end of our design session in Photoshop, and I will see you the next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.